Want to look better, feel better, and have unstoppable energy? Then it's time to stop guessing and start eating right. Your diet isn't just about calories. It's about fueling your body with the right nutrients to keep your skin glowing, your body in top shape, and your confidence through the roof. And here's the real truth. Most people are seriously missing out on key foods that could transform their health. So today, I'm breaking down the must-have foods that belong in your diet, what they do for you, and why skipping them might be one of the worst mistakes you can make. First up, let's talk about protein. Think of it as the foundation of your body. It builds muscle, repairs tissues, and even helps with clear skin. And no, protein isn't just for gym rats trying to bulk up. It's essential for everyone. If you're not getting enough protein, your body literally starts breaking down muscle for fuel. And if you think looking weak and flabby is a good look, well, let's rethink that. Best protein sources: chicken breast, eggs, Greek yogurt, salmon, lentils and chickpeas for my plant-based guys. Want a tip? Start your morning with a high-protein breakfast. It keeps you full longer and helps prevent those midday crashes where you reach for junk food. Now, let's talk about fat. No, not the kind that sits around your waist, the kind your body actually needs to function at its best. Healthy fats help your brain stay sharp, keep your skin glowing, and even boost your testosterone levels. Yes, you heard that right. Best healthy fats: avocados, packed with skin-boosting vitamin E. Olive oil, great for heart health. Nuts and seeds, loaded with omega-3s. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, supports brain health. Ever wonder why some guys just look effortlessly fresh? It's not just genetics, it's their diet. Healthy fats keep your skin from drying out and help reduce breakouts. So if you're still scared of eating fat, it's time to let that go. All right, let's talk about something nobody thinks about: fiber. You might be hitting the gym, counting your protein, and still wondering why you're bloated or struggling with stubborn fat. Here's the deal. Fiber keeps your digestion running smoothly, prevents bloating, and even helps you stay leaner by keeping you full longer. Best fiber sources: oats, leafy greens, beans and lentils, chia seeds. Make sure you're getting at least 25-30 grams a day and you'll feel the difference. Trust me. All right, listen up. If you're not drinking enough water, everything else you're doing is basically pointless. Hydration is the cheat code for better skin, better workouts, and better focus. How much water should you drink? At least 3 liters per day. More if you're active or live in a hot climate. If your skin looks dull, if your energy crashes midday, or if you feel like your workouts aren't as strong as they should be, check your water intake first. It might be the simplest fix of your life. All right, let's take it up a notch. Some foods don't just make you healthier, they literally make you look better. These are the top foods that naturally enhance your skin, hair, and overall appearance. Top attractive foods: dark chocolate, boosts circulation for healthier skin. Tomatoes, protects your skin from sun damage. Carrots, gives your skin a natural glow. Walnuts, keeps your hair thick and strong. You could spend hundreds of dollars on skincare, or you could just eat the right foods and let your body do the work for you. Your body reflects what you put into it. So tell me, what's one food you're adding to your diet after this video? Drop it in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because trust me, we're just getting started.